So this may be the perfect vlogger's bag. It's the Peak Design 5 litre everyday. And inside, if you open it up one-handed, you'll see firstly my 25mm Panasonic lens, my Manfrotto pixi tripod, my Lumix G85, my RØDE VideoMicro, 2 spare batteries, the RØDE Deadcat that comes with it, the Peak Design Slide version 2 strap, and the shock mount for the microphone. What I also have is a little slot for my spare battery for my phone that I'm filming this with. And in here you can also put things like train tickets, headphones, or SD cards, which are color coded for full and empty. There's another pocket this side as well, in here. And finally my phone actually fits in this lovely pocket here, where you can also put anything like a phone or tickets or a map or anything you like. Now the way I've organised this bag is using these clever flex fold dividers, one of which I've put sideways, which is actually the perfect height to come up against the grip on the camera, and the second one here with a little ledge or shelf to help separate the microphone and the 25mm lens. Now I'll show you how this fits. Also creates a nice little gap here for both batteries to be held and the RØDE video microphone. So what goes in first is the microphone, then I can put the 2 batteries in, they fit quite well. Then I can put the G85 camera in with the 12 to 60mm lens and the lens hood. That fits in pretty well. Now for the right side, I put in my Slide Lite version 2 strap. Then I put my RØDE VideoMic shock mount. Finally, I put my Deadcat and Manfrotto pixi tripod. That fits up in here in the corner. Fold the shelf down, and now I can put my 25mm lens with the hood attached. And that now has everything, with also space for headphones and extra cards, and also my phone battery in the side pocket as I showed you earlier. And that all zips up and closes perfectly. Doing this one-handed isn't very easy. So now that everything that I've just shown you is inside the bag securely, and my phone can now fit in here. This will also fit an iPhone 6s, 7s Plus, 8 I guess, an LG V20, which is my phone, that's a 5.7 inch screen. I guess a Google Pixel 2 XL will probably fit in there. Oh, I forgot to mention, there's a pocket here for a small tablet that fits an iPad mini, or what I use it for is putting my Kindle when I'm traveling.